A week before, I was watching a TikTok video, and that's really attracts me. And I really wanted to go there. The distance was from here 2 hours by plane, but I took the risk and I called my friends and I talked to them. Can you guys come to join me? They says yes. So after that, I flew directly to there. The place called Yashan. This place is located in Anhui province, 2 hours from Shaman, but it's really worth to visit. Watch the video and enjoy my journey. A TikTok video took me from Shaman to Anhui province. Because I came so late and I had a little bit problem in my passport number. So you guys can see I'm in the last seat and this completely belongs to me. Look at this. No one is here. So tired. 2 hours later. Oh my god, here is very cold and it's raining outside, and they just announced the temperature is 10 to 15, and the place where I came from was like there was 25 to 30. So in one country you can have different weathers and different conditions. This is the beauty of the country. So today, me and all of my friends, we are here at a very beautiful place. This place called Yashan. And a lot of things been happening here, millions of years. You guys can see how beautiful these rocks are. Let me fly the drone and show you the beauty of these rocks and a beautiful mountain. tired. Oof. Halfway up to the mountain, and we're gonna submit maybe in 20 minutes. There are some other illusion rocks. Oof. Here you guys can see some agricultural land. Look at this. I think people were living here before, maybe thousands of years before, but now no one is living here, but the function of the agricultural land is still here. You can see some signs. Have you 是什么？啊，
真的可以吃啊！
不会不会，去。来了吗？ 很 soft 吧。Okay. زي لك زي
这把很黑，没灯了。为什么我起这边了？